with that explanation of yours, it is the impression of this committee that you admit that you really did a digging below the JMC.
Yes, sir. It's part of our
compound.
presentation later on, sir. Andiyan sa presentation ko, sir.
Kaya nga, in-admit mo.
Yes, sir.
Kala ko hindi mo i-admit. I am ready to cite you in contempt kung hindi
Yes,
mo i-admit.
I know that.
Ako mismo, you have no way to lie before me because ako mismo, pinuntahan ko kanina sa inspection kanina, hinukay namin doon, very fresh pa yung simento na ginawa. Alam mo, ako bilang isang dating pulis, nakikita ko yung reasonableness na sabi natin ay talagang masyadong subjective. Kung ako, gusto kong i-occupy yung QJC forever ko rin sasabihin na may heartbeat ako nadidetect. So, hanggang saan ito ngayon? Ako forever ko talaga. Gusto kong i-occupy yan eh. The mere fact nagdagdala ako ng 3,000 na pulis dyan, may intention talaga akong i-occupy yan. Yung buong grounds na yan. So sabihin ko forever. Heartbeat dito ngayon. Hinukay. Wala. Oy, may heartbeat naman ako na-detect doon. Who will police the police? Pagdating sa bagay na yan.
Yun po ay pwede nang iakyat sa husgado. Kung sa tingin po ng husgado ay hindi na to reasonable, ililift po yung execution ng warrant of arrest. Magbibigay po ng mga kondisyon yung husgado na hindi na rin tama yun. Ito po, hindi po kasi judgment call yung magiging basihan po ng continuation ng execution ng warrant.
No,
Hindi
no, no. Pwedeng judgment call yan.
Hindi,
Sabihin ng police na it's my judgment na nandyan po si Pastor Kibuloy. Who will be against me? Kaya nga, kung ako, sabi ko, nandyan pa rin yan. Sigurado ako. Walang katapusan. Walang katapusan. Thank you, Attorney. Thank you. Attorney from DOJ, City Prosecutor, Attorney Saniel. Attorney Saniel, can we hear from you? That's why we invited you because we need your opinions here. Please.
Magandang hapon po sa lahat, sir. Mr. Chair. Hindi po ako authorized magbigay ng opinion on that matter. Can I be allowed to differ on that comment, sir?
Mukhang tuwang-tuwa kayo dyan. Pumalakpak kayo. Ha? Ano pala siya? Prosecutor ka?
Yes, sir.
What's the difference between the prosecutors and other people from DOJ who are giving their opinion in our previous hearings?
Sir, in my capacity, sir, is about the trafficking case that was...
Trafficking?
Yes, sir, yung number 3 item, sir.
I thought being a prosecutor, you are prohibited from giving your legal opinion on this matter. Am I
Yes, sir,
correct?
in my capacity now,
In your
sir.
capacity as a
Yes, sir.
prosecutor.
I cannot give my opinion, sir, on this matter, sir.
So itong ibang taga DOJ sa Senado na nagbibigay ng opinion, they are not prosecutors.
They are part of the DOJ, sir, but they are authorized to give their opinion, sir.
Thank you.
Salamat, sir.
Sino pang abogado dyan na pwede magbigay ng
Ako po, Your Honor, malapit na po. Mag-aral po ako next time.
O sige,
Your Honor,
pakinggan natin.
opo, hindi po ako abogado pero common sense po, Your Honor. Huwag natin paikot-ikutin po mga with due respect, NAPOLCOM, DOJ, DILG, the generals here and the colonels po.
Please do not direct your comments
Yes po,
to them.
sorry po, Your Honor.
Kasi ako'y nakiusap sa kanila na mag-share ng kanilang opinion tapos bigla mo silang pipersonalin sila isa-isa.
Opo, Your
That
Honor.
would be against the ethics of this committee.
Sorry po, Your Honor.
Please.
It's my mistake po.
Thank you. Right.
Tumatanggap naman po kami ng mali pag nagkamali po kami.
Okay.
Salamat po, Your Honor. I think it's an insult to the 3,000 strong men of PNP with the elite forces, special action force, tapos tutugisin mo isang individual lang, mag-hire ka pa ng hindi pulis, damitan mo po ng pulis. Your Honor, papayag ko po ba? Yung uniform niyo po is papasusot sa hindi po pulis. Wala pong limit. For example, pwede ko pong sabihin, kung ako si General Torre, I can hire 1,000 civilians, pasok kayo dito sa compound, i-search natin.
Ganito kasi yan. I'm not reading their minds, no? Pero siguro sa expertise, you have 3,000 policemen na hindi mga minero, hindi marunong maghukay, hindi marunong maghanap ng bina. Ito siguro, hinire nila yung mga tao na yun because talaga magaling yun sa paghukay. Ang gusto nating masettle ito ngayon, yung paggamit sa kanila sa paghuhukay at paghahanap doon sa kay Pastor Kibuloy ay yung nga, kaya nga tinatanong natin yung mga legal opinions ng ating mga lawyers dito, yun ba'y justified? Justified ba? As far as the use of uniform, police uniform, inamin naman ni General Torre that he authorizes the use of the uniform. He authorized the use of uniform for easy access papasok doon sa loob ng
Your Honor, kunwari may mga NPA, criminal, pwedeng gamitin po yan papasok sa loob. Paano po namin ma-check po, Your Honor? Anybody can do that. Wala po kasi naka-uniform na eh.
Oh, pero NPA naman yun. Mag-aaway ba itong pulis at saka
Mga
NPA?
eskalawag at preso po, pwede pong damitan po yan, papasukin po sa loob, Your Honor. Ano pong control po dyan? Authorized pala eh.
Kaya nga natin ngayon tinatakil yan. Dahil nga dito tayo ngayon sa arrest at saka sa search paggamit ng tao. Ako, as far as I am concerned, I am not a lawyer pero ginamit nila yung tao para mag-search, maghanap kay Pastor Kibuloy, hindi para mag-aristo kay Pastor Kibuloy. On the contrary, the opinion of our lawyers, Napolcom and other lawyers, nagsasabi na continuing yung act of arresting Pastor Kibuloy. Matagal na debate ito. Anyway, hindi ka
Sir?
pa man tapos. Narinig ko na yung side mo, pero continue ka sa presentation mo.
Sir,
We will leave that matter at pag-usapan natin mamaya. Attorney, isang abogado pa.
yes, sir.
Yes.
Just with respect to the fact that Section 11 is very clear when they are making an arrest. Unfortunately, there is no arrest yet here. And then they
Wala
use a
nga.
child,
Wala.
they use insignia. Sir, I just want to point out, sir, that the allowing persons who are not police to use police insignia is a violation of Article 179 of the Revised Penal Code. Plus, a second thing, sir, is the fact that they use a child, a minor, to use that. That is, again, child abuse. I just want to point out that to the
Yeah, thank you. General Torre, bakit kayo gumamit ng minor? Kung digging ang purpose nyo doon, mag-hukay, bakit babae ba yun? Parang babae yung lalaki ba yun? Minor, bakit kayo gumamit ng minor?
Your Honor, I do believe at this point in time na wala namang nag-establish sa minor. Those are all allegations. And I can categorically say na walang minor dun, sir. Baka mukhang bata lang.
Mukhang bata, pero
Mukhang bata lang, but really,
for the record,
sir, none.
for the record, pinasok mo yun
It's
for the
what us-
purpose of digging or
Yes,
for
sir.
the purpose of baka mamaya ang apprehension nila is gagamitin na naman ninyo doon sa loob na parang victim of trafficking na naman.
Of course not, sir. The purpose,
Yung apprehension nila ha, pero for the record,
the
you say it
instruments,
for the
the
record.
instruments indicate that our targets could be 4 meters below ground. And I believe that we need experts on this matter, especially on digging this hole, because we want to ensure that these people have the experience. That's something that the police does every day. So who are the people who knows and has the experience on digging? Minero, sir.
So, with that explanation of yours, it is the impression of this committee that you admit that you really did a digging below the GMC.
Yes, sir. It's part of our
compound.
presentation later on, sir. Andiyan sa presentation ko, sir.
Kaya nga, inadmit mo.
Yes, sir.
Kala ko hindi mo i-admit. I am ready to cite you in contempt kung hindi
Yes,
mo i-admit.
I know that.
Ako mismo, you have no way to lie before me because ako mismo, pinuntahan ko kanina sa inspection kanina, tinukay namin doon, very fresh pa yung simento na ginawa at nung natanggal yung simento, yung mga kabilya na nilagay doon, hindi kabilya na construction na related ba kabilya, kundi kung saan saan lang napulot na kabilya yon, and yung lupa is very loose. But then, that's immaterial anymore to discuss about that because you admit that you did the digging below that the basement of GMC
Yes, sir.
building.
Yes, sir. I have lots of bosses who are class 87 and
Okay.
they can testify on the kind of destruction that Fist of Cadet First Class Bato de la Rosa, sir, can come to them if they violate the rules, sir. So I really will not dare to do that and lie to you.
Yeah, be
Thank you,
sure,
sir.
just be sure because it pains me to cite you in contempt if I need to do that because you are the regional director of this particular police regional office of this region. And that would be a slap on the PNP kapag ang kanilang boss ay na-cite in contempt ng isang committee hearing because of lying and false testifying falsely before the committee.
Yes, sir.
I hate to do that.
Yes, sir.
Please make sure that you don't lie to this
It
committee.
will be part of the presentation, sir. And even the future diggings is included there, sir.
Okay, thank you.